Now students, when we ended in last video was what was the job of surveyor, how he does his job, how he calculates stock on date of fire, and if there is a salvage, then what is actual loss. जैसे suppose in our example stock on date of fire was 50,000. Then was salvage. Salvage is goods saved from fire, so it was 40,000. So what was 10,000 students? It was nothing but actual loss. So actual loss is 10,000. Now surveyor will submit this report. Can say will submit this report at insurance company. Now insurance company starts the calculation. Insurance company, for them this figure is important, but they will not ignore this figure. Now understand students, a concept called as average clause in insurance policy. So now what is this? Okay, I'll give an example. Suppose, imagine students, suppose in your godown, there is always a stock of 100 rupees. It takes smaller amounts for easier calculation. So on an average, your godown contains a stock जिसका value is 100 rupees. But you have taken policy of 80 rupees. You might have a question, sir, stock is of 100, why do I take a policy of 80 rupees? Reason is to save on premium amount, because you take policy of higher amounts, your premium will also increase. Premium is an expense for a business to be paid. Now, businessman wants to save certain money. That even though there is a stock of 100, but I will take insurance policy only of 80. Fine. Insurance company says that means, can I say this is example of under insurance. This is example of under insurance. Insurance company says if you have underinsured yourself, agar insurance is taken of lesser amount, then what should be taken? Usko under insurance. If it is under insurance, then students, when insurance company pays us the claim, they will also pay in the same proportion. When I say same proportion means, if there was goods of 100, policy taken was 80, which is actually, can I say, 80%. So whatever you claim, insurance company will only give 80% of the same. Okay, take example of this. Suppose in your godown, actually goods are lying of, example, 1 lakh, right? And you have taken policy of 80,000, which we call it as policy amount. So that means insurance coverage is 80%. In the same godown, there was a fire, and your actual loss is only 10,000. Normal layman will understand. Sir, I have taken policy of 80,000. Loss is only of 10,000. The insurance company should pay me entire thing, because I am paying premium on 80,000, but my loss is only 10,000. I am demanding only 10,000. But insurance company doesn't work in that way. Insurance company says, of course, your policy is higher than this, but can I say you should have been covered by this much? Means you should have paid premium for all these years on this much, not on 80,000. But you have done so to save your money on premium. Hence, while giving back the claim amount, while reimbursing the claim amount, we do the same. So, what we do is, we also provide you not 10,000, but same percentage. So we will give you claim of only 8,000. Hence, remaining 2,000 is not given to you. This is what you study at FIJS. Insurance company admits a claim of this much. This is how much it admits. Does not admit of 2,000. Why it does not admit? Because you were under insured. In order to do this, there is a simple formula, student. Simple formula, how to understand all these things. What is formula? Claim admitted by insurance company is equal to claim admitted is policy amount. In our case, policy amount is 80,000 into actual loss. In our case, it is 10,000 upon stock on date of fire, SODF popularly called as. I'll put down the values, we'll get the answer. Policy amount in our case is 80,000. Actual loss is 10,000. And stock on date of fire before salvage. That is how much? Stock on date of fire. अपने केस में can I say it was 50,000. Now understand बच्चे लोग. This is 50,000. Sorry, this is 10,000. This is 50,000. And this is 80,000. 80,000 is what? Policy amount. You have taken policy amount of the same. Insurance claim. Can I say actual loss? Sorry, it is 10,000. And stock on date of fire was 50,000. Now this stock on date of fire 50,000 was taken by a surveyor. Surveyor एक opinion है. But actually speaking, generally speaking, your stock on date of anything, any dates in godown is 1 lakh. Insurance company says that what we will take out over here is we will take 1 lakh. So what will happen of this one is instead of this they take 1 lakh. This is, if you see, compare the guys, this is 80%, what I am supposed to say over here. And if you do this calculation, it is 80% of 10,000. That becomes 8,000, which is the answer. So students understand this. What is the formula? Policy amount. Yes. Actual loss. When I say actual loss is after salvage. And when I say stock on date of fire, see stock on date of salvage, this is 50, आपने इधर 1 lakh लिखा है. Yes student. But can I say, in our example I had taken that stock was 50. Otherwise, see if I take here 50 and policy amount is more, then it is over insurance. Then insurance company doesn't have a problem because you are paying premium on a higher amount. The problem exists when you are underinsured and not overinsured. That is what you are supposed to understand. Alright students, I hope concept is clear. Thank you so much.